Here I'd like to demonstrate an accessible braille flashcard. This is a math flashcard. It's got a math problem on it, and it's in braille on this card, and it's also in tiny print in the bottom right corner of the card. There are two NaviLens codes. They're 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch in the middle, top and bottom, and I'll demonstrate what those do in a moment. Now this card is laying flat on the table, and it's next to an iPhone in a stand, and the iPhone is running the NaviLens app, and my phone has VoiceOver turned on. And now the idea is, if I was a braille reading student, math student, I would read this problem. There's some English up top here, and then there's a number below. And then the idea is, if I want to hear the problem read to me for some reason, I can pick up the card, and I'm going to just slide the card over until it's behind where the camera can see the codes on the card.
Round to the nearest 10, 664.
All right, so round to the nearest 10, 664. That's identical to what the braille says on the card. And so now the idea is the student would think about that, and hopefully they would just know, oh, that's 660, and they would know why. And then when they turn the card over, the only braille on the back of this card is 660. And then if they want to hear confirmation of their what they think is the right answer and possibly an explanation, again, they would pick up the card. So now I've picked up the card in my right hand, and I'm going to slide it behind the camera on the phone again.
660. Explanation. To round to the nearest 10, you need to look at the digit in the ones place since it is to the right of the tens.
And I just did the 2-finger tap with VoiceOver to pause the audio. To get the idea, they hear the answer 660, and then they can hear an explanation. Some of these cards also link to accessible audio tutorials. So that's the idea, and that card's done. So then the student would go on to the next card, and they could do as many cards as they want to, but the idea is to give them the ability to practice math, practice their developing braille reading and braille math reading skills independently. Thank you.